Okay, we would like to thank all of our guests for being here on Bounce Around Charleston. And if you would like to be a guest or you have an event, email us at bouncearound@live5news.com. And don't forget to join our fan pages. Now, Bradford Station.
Yes, sir.
Played that wonderful music, but that's not the entire band.
No, that's only half of it. There's a rhythm section that's right behind them. They play at How Art Thou Cafe every Tuesday night.
David Berger, thank you for being here on Bounce Around Charleston.
Thank you.
Okay, Bradford Station, take it away.